Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharmin. সবাইকে ঈদের অগ্রিম শুভেচ্ছা. Today I create this makeup look inspired by Eid. I really like it how it turned out, especially my lower lash line. I use this heavy metal glitter liner from Urban Decay. I really like it. I hope you guys will like this look. If you will like it, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's really helped me out. And if you want to see how I create this makeup look, so please keep on watching. Bye guys. So first I'm taking my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and I'm just putting onto my nose area. So now I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild primer. It's luminous one and I really like it for a glowing skin. So for foundation I'm using my Clinique foundation. It's a full coverage foundation. I really like it lately. And I'm just gonna do a cream contour with my Wet n Wild cream contour stick. And I'm just gonna put the concealer under eye. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Light Medium Concealer. So I'm going to blend with that stippling brush. And I'm just gonna blend the contour first, then I will blend the concealer. So blending my concealer, I'm using a sponge. So set my concealer, I'm using Laura Mercier translucent powder. And for my contour, I'm using Anastasia's Beverly Hills contour palette. And I'm just bronzing up my face with a light brown shade. Now I'm doing a little bit sharp contour with the middle like a gray tone shade, and I'm just making like a sharp contour. And I'm just doing the little bit nose contour as well. So for my blush, I'm using the Anastasia as well, and it's like a peachy brush. I really like it. It's very pigmented. And for highlighter, I'm using Fenty Beauty highlighter. It's Hustla Baby. So now as you can see, I have done already one eye. So now I'm using my Pixi by Petra eyeshadow palette. From the palette I'm just getting that orangish reddish tone kind of shade, and I'm just buffing that out all over my crease as well as in my lid area. And now I'm getting the dark brown shade and I'm just placing onto my outer V, and I'm just blending it like an inward motion. So I'm getting the different brush and I'm just using the black shade and I'm just placing onto my outer V and blending it out. So going back to that reddish tone shade, and I'm just smudging it out onto my lower lash line. So going back to black again, I'm just making sure it's both eyes are same. So I'm just placing the black and I'm just blending it out. So now I'm going to use a concealer to crease like a, I'm just using as a base for my eyelid, and I'm just using my Huda Beauty eyeshadow. So from the palette, I'm just using that light pale pink shade as my lid color. So now I'm just taking that golden shade from the Pixi palette and I'm just placing onto my eyelid. So going back to the blending brush, and I'm just blending the edge of the lid color with that reddish brown shade. So going back that reddish shade, and I'm just making sure it's both eyes are same. So now I'm just lining my waterline with the black kohl pencil. And for mascara, I'm using Clinique mascara. For my lower lash line, I'm using Urban Decay Glide On Easy Glide On pencil, eye pencil. It's like a purpley shade, and I'm just smudging it out with the pencil brush. So for my inner corner, lower lash inner corner, I'm using that glitter liner from Urban Decay. I'm just putting in half of my eye lower lash line. So for my lip, I'm using MAC lip liner. And for lipstick, I'm using Colourpop Ultra Matte liquid lipstick. So I'm just gonna get the little bit highlighter, Fenty Beauty highlighter as my inner corner highlighter. Finish up my look, I'm using the setting spray from, I got it from Winners. It's the charcoal makeup setting spray. And this is my finishing look. I hope you guys will like this look, and everybody Eid Mubarak. So see you in my next video. Bye guys.